Alright, we are back at Central LRT Station and it's April the 5th and you can tell if you work through here the cab of the elevator has been ripped out and on the monorail, look at that, all torn out in the inside of the every work for this buckle. And see, and these are the pieces from the cab, you see, that just got ripped out from the elevator. Look at all the metal and pieces from the cab. See the light fixture there? All this just got torn out from the elevator. And if you look at the escalator here, I have a good view from it. You can see through there. The escalator, the old 1970s Montgomery Escalator is completely gone. And they're about to get the pit their way for the installation of the new one. You see this and this escalator is completely gone, just like the one at the entrance that I showed you the other day, which is also completely gone. See, if you look at, see, it's all gone. The 19, all gone, and the new one will be installed soon. And all that's left, it's the pits and everything. And then pretty soon the new one will, the new Fujitec will be start to be installed there. And they're just getting ready for the installation of that new escalator. Oh my gosh, look at all that. You can see how the city it's in the process of the same work too. You're gonna see the escalator is gone over here too. We're gonna go back downstairs, have a look at the metal ripped out from the elevator on the side, the pieces of the cab. And we ended up down there. And here we go. All the pieces from the cab all ripped out. Other than that, I'll be back in a couple weeks. If a day on the process. Other than that, that would be it.